Can you believe that my friend just purchased a private jet? Man, I wish I could afford one of those.
Well, you're not doing so bad yourself, sir.
But you don't understand. If I had one of those, man, I'd be much happier.
Hey man, sorry to bother you. Is this the new Rolls Royce? Hey, this is like my dream car.
Yeah, it is.
You know, man, I'd be so happy if I had a car like this instead of my piece of junk. You must be the luckiest guy on earth. Anyways, I gotta run, but thanks for talking to me.
You know what, Harvey? Now that I think about it, I guess I'm not doing so bad, you know? I guess the only way to be happy is to appreciate what you have, what you already have.
Piece of junk. I hate this car.
What happened? Did your car break down?
No, it runs fine. I'm just tired of this cheap thing. It's definitely not a Rolls Royce, that's for sure.
At least you have a car. I have to take the bus everywhere. I would be so happy if I had one. Anyway, I gotta run. I don't want to miss the bus. I hope you have a good day.
Wow. Guess I'm fortunate to have a car at all.
Sucks. I hate taking the bus.
Hey, everything okay?
Yeah, it's fine. I'm mad because I missed the bus. I just wish I had a car.
Well, I have to bike home 20 miles every day because I can't afford the bus.
20 miles? It's a long way to bike.
Yeah. Wish I could give my legs a break one of these days. Anyway, I'm gonna take off, but cheer up.
Maybe taking the bus isn't that bad after all.
Man, I hate this bike. I am so tired of having to bike home every day.
Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, I wish I could afford the bus. My legs are exhausted.
Oh, well, look at it this way. At least your legs work. That's a blessing right there.
Oh my God. I am so sorry. That was really inconsiderate of me.
Don't be sorry. I'm happy with my life and with what I have, even if I can't use my legs.
If you don't mind me asking, how do you stay so happy?
Well, I wasn't always happy with not being able to walk. That is, until I met someone who reminded me, at least I have arms.
I guess it's true what they say. The only way to be truly happy is to appreciate what you have. Thank you.
Have a nice day.